When we go on a world tour and spend 3 lakh rupees, we do not hesitate. When we throw a kitty party and spend 50,000 rupees, we do not hesitate. When we throw a small birthday party for our kids and spend 10,000 rupees, we do not hesitate. Then why do we hesitate to take a health insurance for our aging parents? Do you know only 27% of Indians have health insurance, and that includes you and me as well as our senior citizens. Are you aware that 47% of Indians suffer from any one of these chronic diseases? Diabetes, depression, asthma, angina, arthritis. My name is Rajesh Atangi and I am going to tell you the easiest way and the things to look out for by buying a health insurance for your aging parents. As they say, age is just a number. 60 is just a number. What's so great about it? Well, everything changes, not only for them but also for us. For most of us, we usually associate the old age as an age wherein there are a lot of expenses involved. Expenses in terms of hospitalization, some of the other illnesses, and not many other things. But then seldom do we usually look for a proper health insurance cover for our aging parents. And I am going to take you through to some of these salient features as to why you should be taking a health insurance for them. So who can take the health insurance? Well, of course, we can take the health insurance on our parents' behalf. Anybody who's from the age of around 61 to 65 can take the health insurance. There are two types of health insurance that one can take. One basically with a co-payment, one without co-payment. What is co-payment? When there is a claim of 100 rupees, we are assumed under the co-payment to pay a certain cost towards the claim. That would be around an average of 20% in almost all the senior citizen plans. When there is no co-payment, the entire claim is borne by the insurance company. Whichever policy has a zero co-payment, there the health insurance companies will seek some medical test to be undertaken by the insured. Whereas when it comes to co-payment, the company, the health insurance company, usually will only insist on the declarations given by the insured. When people enter these health insurance policies from age 61 to 65, there are certain PED, pre-existing diseases. PED are usually covered after a span of 2 years or in some cases even after 1 year. Most of these health insurances will cover your parents right up till 10 lakh rupees. You would wonder, 10 lakh रुपया तो बहुत कम है. What if we want to insure them for slightly higher? Well, I'll give you this bonus tip at the end of this video, so stay invested. These policies are usually issued on an individual basis only. That means there is no family floater. You can't insure your father and mother together as a family floater. They would be individual policies only. Entering at age 61 to 65, one always feels that the premiums will be high. It's not necessary. But yes, I have a tip number 2 which I'll be sharing with you at the end of this video, so stay invested. Coming to the premiums, the most popular senior citizen health plan usually will charge you on a fixed basis. That means every year it will be a fixed premium. Some of the health insurance companies usually will charge you on a higher premium as per the age progresses. These insurances are renewable lifelong. Well friends, health insurance is not an option anymore. It is basically a necessity. And before I end this video, the 2 tips that you were waiting for. What if we wanted to insure our parents for more than 10 lakhs? The remedy and the solution is that we have top-up plans that are available where we can insure your parents about 10 lakh rupees. And the second tip, in case if you felt that the premiums that you are paying towards your parents, one is you should never be thinking that way, but just in case if you felt that the premiums were higher, and it's going to be a bit of a burden on your budget, then I would recommend you invest little bit money through SIPs into liquid funds. If the premium is around 12,000 rupees, start an SIP into liquid funds for 1,000 rupees. The moment the insurance premium comes up for renewal, the liquid funds can be redeemed and then be paid towards the premium. Isn't it simple? Health insurance is not an option, it's a necessity. Well, in this case, it's not only a necessity, but it's also our responsibility that we need to insure our parents. I'm sure we've added value through this video and helped you decide and buy a health insurance for your parents. In case if we have, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for regular notifications. Please do leave your comments in the comments box, and in case if you have further more queries, do write into us in the comment box or in the description box. We are leaving you all our connects. This is Rajesh Atangadi signing off. Guru Gurwar. And yes, did I forget to tell you, for all of this, you also get some tax benefit. So please do insure your parents to the fullest. Thank you.